West, you go ahead.
Attention to the police patrols. We're on the lookout for the Quick Bite ice cream van last seen on Mount Western Strait. Pick him up and don't let him cross the border.
All units respond.
Car 96 responding.
Calling all units, did the police barricades work in bringing down that ice cream van and the suspect who's driving it?
Car 96, the suspect broke through the barriers. We have him surrounded.
Copy car 96.
Captain, the Quick Bite van has crossed the border, waiting on instructions.
All units, stand down until further notice.
10-4.
All units, the suspect has crossed the border and we don't have the authority to bring him into police custody.
West, you go ahead.
Copy.
Station 1 call, retone that police. 10-4. Captain 4 to go to that location also.